Mycah!
Yes.
Mycah!
Yes, Mom.
Come. Yes, Mom. You said you are an engineering student, right? Yes, I'm an engineering student. Please help me operate my tablet. It's not working. It's not working. Okay, let me work it on. Okay. Sit down. Ma. Yeah. Go get me some water. I do what? I bring for you water. Yeah, Mom, I'm doing your tablet. I'm going to repair it very well. So you should, Mom, just water. Okay. let me go.
This guy don't lie again. Make a good check on myself.
You said you want water? Yeah, I'm finishing up. Okay, let me go bring for you water. Mom, maybe you should come also with the screwdriver.
She what?
Yeah. Mom, do you have juice?
Jesus!
Yeah, there is juice, my dear. We just bring me juice.
Hey! I hear me.
So I bring for you juice. Yeah, it will be better. Okay, let me bring for you juice. Yes, my car juice is here. Okay. Thank you. Mom, it's really good. It's really good. So you're working on it.
A few moments later.
It's not working. No, I'm repairing it, ma.
She what? Apostle, we hear of this.
2 hours later.
Jesus is Lord.
You even removed the shot. Why? Mom, I'm working on it. The first have even removed. Huh?
6.5 hours later.
Funka!
Mom, your tablet is failing.
Chai!
It's not working. Why? Seems, Mom, it has failed.
Hey! I hear me. Bad me.
You failed. It's not working.
Jesus!
thank you very much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you should just be tapped like poked. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and also like, comment and share. But anyway, thank you very much. Mycah and one love. Peace.